Hi, Gabe. What you doing, little man? Can you show Mama how you roll over? Can you show Mama how you roll over? Come on, you can do it. I know you can do it. You just did it. You can do it, buddy. Come on, friend. You can do it. You silly. Come on, there you go. You're so close. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh. Almost. You're drooling all over. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, buddy. Come on, so close. Just gotta move that arm. Come on, buddy. There you go. Watch, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. Come on, push, push. Push. You can do it, sweetie. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so close. You just push with that leg. Good job. Good job. Mommy's so proud of you. You do a good job. Yeah. You did such a good job. You're so precious. There's my little Gabriel. The super rollover. Yeah. Good job. Good job, buddy. You did a good job. You rolled over. Yeah. Good job. Now we just have to keep practicing. Yeah, we just keep practicing.